A red flag warning is now in effect for the Inland Empire. This remains in effect through tomorrow night at this time because of relative humidity values 15 to 20%. Yes, we know dry conditions here in Southern California, but when you take dry conditions paired with gusty winds, critical fire weather conditions are a concern, especially after we've been dealing with such above normal temperatures, incredibly warm weather for January. It's not only about the dry conditions. Again, the wind is going to be a big factor. So as we're looking ahead towards tomorrow morning, yes, even the Coachella Valley going to be joining in on some of that wind. We're looking at our gusts 20 to 25 miles per hour on average. Those winds, though, will be strengthening as we head through the day, predominantly though to our west. That's why that red flag warning is in effect to our west instead of us here in the valley. But those gusts over 50 miles per hour and even the strongest gusts around the peaks and the canyons could be experiencing up to 60, 70 mile per hour winds. Now the San Gorgonio Pass, including the northern portion of the Coachella Valley, is included within this high wind warning. So keep this in mind if you do have to commute through the pass. You are going to be battling some of the stronger winds and you may find debris out on the roads. Also be aware of any of that debris that you might find just out on your neighborhood streets, like broken tree limbs. If you have to head west, better chance for even some power lines to be knocked down. So just be aware of your surroundings, especially during these gusty conditions. Now it's all because of a system that is moving in from the northeast, and as it does so, it's also going to be bringing us extra moisture. First, we'll see it in the form of cloud cover. Then, as we head through the afternoon and into the evening, we'll be tracking some rain on the radar. A little bit of snow for our mountains, but we're not talking about a whole lot. This is mainly going to be a wind and rain event, not quite as cold as our other winter systems that we've experienced so far. Now, that's Tuesday. As we head into Wednesday morning, opportunity for some light showers as well, but it's more so as we head through Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday evening. That's when we are looking to see a bulk of this moisture push into Riverside County. Now, this is where things are still uncertain. Yes, you see where these certain blobs are at. Does that mean that's exactly where that storm cell will establish itself? Not by any means. And so that's really what's going to be determining the rainfall accumulation amounts. Tomorrow, incredibly light. As we head into Wednesday, these numbers have jumped drastically since this afternoon. But these numbers only occur if we get one of those strong cells right over the valley floor. Otherwise, we're looking up to about 1/4 of an inch. On your Comfort Air 7-day forecast, 60s tomorrow. We're keeping our temperatures very seasonal throughout the rest of the week. And yes, there are multiple chances for rain in this week's forecast. The news continues after the break. You're watching News Channel 3, the Desert's news leader.